Homeostasis and automaticity of the body. In 1929, American physiologist Walter Cannon introduced the concept of homeostasis. This term describes the body's remarkable ability to maintain nearly constant internal conditions, ensuring that our cells can function properly. Every organ and tissue in the body plays a role in maintaining this balance. The lungs replenish oxygen in the blood, the kidneys regulate ion concentrations, and the gastrointestinal system provides essential nutrients while eliminating waste. The body is a complex social order of 35 to 40 trillion cells, each organized into functional structures called organs. Each functional structure contributes to maintaining balance in the body's internal environment. Each cell benefits from a stable environment and, in turn, contributes to maintaining that stability. This reciprocal interplay ensures the automaticity of the body, keeping everything in balance. But what happens when this balance is disrupted? Disease often occurs when homeostasis is threatened. Even then, the body's homeostatic mechanisms continue to operate, attempting to maintain vital functions through compensatory adjustments. Take high blood pressure as an example. If the kidneys can't excrete enough salt and water, blood pressure rises to restore balance. Initially, this helps the body cope, but over time, it can lead to more damage, creating a vicious cycle of dysfunction. Pathophysiology is the study of these processes. It helps us understand how the body's efforts to compensate for injury or disease can, over time, lead to new health challenges. Understanding homeostasis and its automaticity is crucial for managing health and disease. By recognizing how the body strives to maintain balance, medical professionals can better diagnose and treat various conditions. Thank you for watching. For more medical academic insights, register on meadowceo.com, the #1 medical e-learning and social platform. Please like and share this video and subscribe to this channel.